Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up help desk software specifically for document signing. Whether you're a small business owner or just starting out, this beginner-friendly tutorial will help you streamline your workflow and ensure your documents are signed quickly and securely. We'll cover everything from choosing the right software to configuring your first document signing request. Let's get started and make document management easier for you and your team. Help desk software is a tool that helps organizations manage customer or internal requests efficiently. When it comes to document signing, help desk software can automate the process, track requests, and ensure that every document is signed by the right person. This saves time, reduces errors, and keeps everything organized in one place. Understanding this foundation will help you see why integrating document signing into your help desk is so valuable. Using help desk software for document signing brings several advantages. It centralizes all signing requests, making it easy to monitor progress and follow up. It also improves security, as only authorized users can access sensitive documents. Plus, automated notifications ensure no one misses a signing deadline. This approach is especially helpful for beginners who want a simple, reliable way to manage document workflows. There are many help desk solutions available, but not all support document signing out of the box. Look for software that integrates with e-signature platforms or has built-in document management features. Popular options include Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Zoho Desk. Consider your team's size, budget, and technical skills when making a choice. Reading reviews and trying free trials can help you find the best fit for your needs. Once you've chosen your help desk software, the first step is to sign up for an account. Most platforms offer a simple registration process. Just provide your email, create a password, and verify your account. After registration, log in to access your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your document signing requests and other support tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Many help desk platforms offer an initial setup wizard to guide you through the basic configuration. This wizard typically helps you set up your organization's details, invite team members, and configure basic preferences. Follow the prompts carefully, as this will lay the foundation for your document signing workflow. If you're unsure about any step, most wizards include helpful tooltips or links to support articles. Setting up user roles is crucial for security and workflow management. Assign roles such as admin, agent, or user based on responsibilities. Admins can manage settings, while agents handle document signing requests. Regular users may only view or sign documents. Properly configuring roles ensures that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information and perform key actions. To enable document signing, integrate your help desk software with an e-signature tool like DocuSign, Adobe Sign, or HelloSign. Most help desk platforms provide integration guides or app marketplaces. Follow the instructions to connect your accounts, authorize access, and test the integration. This step is essential for automating the document signing process and ensuring legal compliance. Document templates save time and ensure consistency. Most help desk systems allow you to upload or create templates for frequently signed documents, such as contracts or agreements. Set up fields for signatures, dates, and other required information. Templates make it easy to send out new signing requests without starting from scratch each time. Now, let's upload your first document for signing. Navigate to the document management section of your help desk software. Click the Upload button, select your file, and confirm the upload. Make sure the document is clear and complete before sending it for signature. This step is straightforward but essential for starting your document signing workflow. After uploading your document, assign the people who need to sign it, enter their names and email addresses, and specify the order if multiple signatures are required. Some platforms allow you to add a personal message or instructions for each signer. Assigning signers correctly ensures the document reaches the right people and is signed in the correct sequence. Signature fields indicate where each person should sign. Use your help desk software's document editor to drag and drop signature, date, and text fields onto the document. Assign each field to the appropriate signer. This visual guidance makes the signing process clear and reduces mistakes. To keep your workflow on track, set deadlines for document signing. Most help desk platforms let you specify a due date for each signer. Automated reminders will be sent as the deadline approaches, helping everyone stay on schedule. Clear deadlines also create a sense of urgency and accountability. Notifications keep everyone informed about document status. Customize your notification settings to receive alerts for new signing requests, completed signatures, and approaching deadlines. You can usually choose between email, SMS, or in-app notifications. Tailoring these settings ensures you never miss an important update. Before using your setup with real clients or team members, test the entire workflow. Send a test document to yourself or a colleague, go through the signing process, and check that all notifications and document statuses update correctly. Testing helps you catch any issues early and ensures a smooth experience for everyone involved. If you encounter problems, don't worry, most issues are easy to fix. Common problems include missing notifications, incorrect signer assignments, or integration errors. Check your settings, consult the software's help center, or reach out to support. Taking the time to troubleshoot ensures your document signing process runs smoothly. Once documents are signed, they need to be stored securely. Most help desk platforms automatically archive signed documents in a secure location. You can organize them by client, project, or date for easy retrieval. Proper document management ensures compliance and makes audits or reviews much simpler. Security is critical when handling sensitive documents. Use your help desk software's access control features to restrict who can view, edit, or sign documents. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Regularly review access logs to monitor activity and prevent unauthorized access. Many help desk platforms offer mobile apps, allowing you to manage document signing on the go. Download the app, log in, and access all your signing requests from your smartphone or tablet. Mobile access is especially useful for busy professionals who need to approve documents quickly, no matter where they are. Automation can save you a lot of time. Set up automated workflows for common document signing scenarios, such as onboarding new employees or processing contracts. Use triggers and actions to send documents, assign signers, and notify stakeholders automatically. Automation reduces manual work and minimizes errors. Tracking the status of each document is easy with help desk software. You can see who has viewed, signed, or declined a document at a glance. Status updates are displayed in real time, so you always know where things stand. This transparency helps you follow up promptly and keep your workflow moving. After a document is signed, you may need to export or share it with others. Most help desk platforms let you download signed documents in PDF format or share them securely via email or a download link. Always use secure sharing options to protect sensitive information. Audit trails provide a detailed record of every action taken on a document. Enable this feature in your help desk software to track who viewed, signed, or modified each file. Audit trails are essential for compliance and can help resolve disputes or answer questions about document history. Make your document signing process look professional by customizing branding. Add your company logo, colors, and custom messages to emails and signing pages. This not only builds trust with signers, but also reinforces your brand identity throughout the process. If signers have questions or run into issues, it's important to provide support. Set up channels like email, chat, or phone support within your help desk software. Make sure instructions for getting help are clear and accessible. Good support ensures a smooth signing experience for everyone. A knowledge base is a collection of articles that answer common questions. Create articles about document signing, troubleshooting, and best practices. Link these resources within your help desk software so users can find answers quickly without waiting for support. If your team or clients speak different languages, enable multi-language support in your help desk software. This ensures everyone can understand instructions and complete document signing without confusion. Check your software settings to add or customize language options. Reminders help ensure documents are signed on time. Configure your help desk software to send automatic reminders to signers before deadlines. You can usually customize the frequency and type of reminders, such as email or SMS. This feature keeps your workflow moving and reduces delays. Track key performance metrics to improve your document signing process. Most help desk platforms provide analytics on turnaround times, completion rates, and bottlenecks. Use these insights to identify areas for improvement and optimize your workflow. Document signing often involves sensitive data. Use encryption and secure storage features in your help desk software to protect information. Limit access to authorized users and regularly update your security settings. Handling sensitive information carefully builds trust and ensures compliance. Your help desk software can often integrate with other business tools like CRM, cloud storage, or project management platforms. These integrations streamline your workflow by automatically syncing data and reducing manual entry. Check your software's app marketplace or integration settings for available options. Some documents require approval before being signed. Set up approval workflows in your help desk software to route documents to managers or legal teams for review. Only after approval will the document be sent for signature. This process ensures compliance and reduces errors. You may need to handle various types of documents, such as contracts, NDAs, or invoices. Organize your help desk software to categorize and manage different document types. Use tags or folders for easy sorting and retrieval, making your document management system more efficient. Sometimes, you need signatures from people outside your organization. Set permissions to allow external signers limited access to only the documents they need. This keeps your internal data secure while enabling collaboration with clients or partners. Templates are a powerful way to save time and ensure consistency. Create templates for your most common documents, such as employment contracts or service agreements. This allows you to quickly generate new signing requests without repeating the same setup steps each time. Before sending a document for signature, review and edit it carefully. Use your help desk software's document editor to make changes, add comments, or highlight important sections. Double-check all details to avoid mistakes and ensure the document is ready for signing. After the signing process, collect feedback from signers to improve your workflow. Use built-in survey tools or send follow-up emails asking about their experience. Feedback helps you identify pain points and make the process even smoother for future signers. Make sure your team knows how to use the help desk software for document signing. Provide training sessions, share guides, or create video tutorials. Well-trained team members can handle signing requests efficiently and help others if issues arise. Keep your help desk software up to date to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Enable automatic updates if possible, or check for updates regularly. Staying current reduces the risk of bugs and security vulnerabilities. Regular backups protect your documents from accidental loss or technical issues. Use your help desk software's backup features or integrate with a cloud storage provider. Schedule automatic backups to ensure your data is always safe and recoverable. Document signing is subject to legal regulations. Make sure your help desk software and e-signature integrations comply with relevant laws, such as eIDAS or eSign. Review your provider's compliance documentation and consult legal experts if needed to ensure your process is valid and enforceable. As your organization grows, your document signing needs may increase. Choose help desk software that can scale with you, supporting more users, documents, and integrations. Regularly review your setup and upgrade your plan or features as needed to keep up with demand. If you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to seek help. Most help desk software providers offer extensive support resources, including FAQs, live chat, and community forums. Use these resources to resolve issues quickly and keep your document signing process running smoothly. To wrap up, here are some best practices for beginners. Start simple, test your workflow, and document your process. Train your team, keep security in mind, and don't be afraid to ask for help. By following these tips, you'll set up a reliable and efficient document signing system using help desk software. Congratulations, you've learned how to set up help desk software for document signing from scratch. With the right setup, you can streamline your workflow, improve security, and make document management a breeze. Remember to keep learning and adapting as your needs grow. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your document signing journey.